In this video, I will show you how to delete a branch on GitHub, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your GitHub account. Once that's done, I want you to go to the far right where you see the icon that displays the display image of your profile. You click on it and then you go to repositories. Now in the repositories, we're going to look for the repository that we want to delete a branch for, and we're going to go to the repository. Now under that, right beside the name of the default branch of the repository, we can see branches there, and we're going to click on branches. Now on the branches, we're going to see the list of the branches that the repository has, including the default branch, our branch, and the active branches. So what we can do is we can go to the branch that we want to delete. We go to that. On the far right, we see delete branch. We click on delete branch, and then we see a delete branch here also. We click on delete branch, and you see the update that says deleted now, and that's how you delete a branch on GitHub. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.